everyone, of me is OPPO A57S, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this OPPO. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose Personalizations. Now click on Font and Display Size. Scroll down and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. When you're ready, choose Apply. As you can see after that, when I go back, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!